So this is mystery. Tastes like a cheer.
Wipe your hand with it. Just wipe your hand with it to kill the bacteria. Smells good, right?
This cheeseburger does not smell right.
It doesn't what?
It doesn't smell right.
Chili que cheeseburger no huele bien.
Do you smell that?
So today we're here with.
Miami.
All right, so look, man, where you from, man?
Right here. Man,
Right here?
what's in that mic, man?
You said what?
What's in that mic, man? That
Nothing.
shit smell bad there, man.
Nah, my nephew Mike.
Your nephew mic. Man,
Yeah.
shit, god damn, man. Man, look here, man.